Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer Druckman. I will be your instructor for General Psychology PSY 101. Sorry about that. This semester, I just so happen to be recording this video for a summer 10-week class, but this will apply to all 15-week, 10-week, and 6-week versions. D2L was just improved a little bit. The look was streamlined between the spring and summer semester, so moving forward in 2019, this should be the look you will see. Today I am impersonating or going through this video as a student, Jenny grade, which you will see right up here in the corner. So this should be your student view of what you see. So let's get started. I'm going to go through this relatively quickly because I know you can pause and rewind anything that I might have gone through fast. Or please let me know if you want a deeper dive into something specific and I'll do that for you. So we're starting here at our course homepage. What you'll notice first are the announcements on the left side of the page. As you can see, the Module 1 introduction announcement has already been posted. And we're going to scroll through and look at all of the other announcements. I've already had a couple in here. So every time you log in, please check the announcements. It's a very important thing to be able to see if I've updated or given you any information here. Now, on the right-hand side of the page, you'll see a little bit of information on announcements from the textbook publisher, Wiley+, any maintenance they're going to be doing, a great technical support link, and an update for any emails that you might have. And then also, online library and helpful links. You're going to be using this a lot. I will post a dedicated video for the online library again in a little bit, but this is where you will find the quick links for this. Helpful links for the system check to optimize D2L for your web browser and your computer can be found here. 24-hour online tutoring through our BrainFuse team can be found here. They're an excellent team of actual people, not just like digital computer enhanced software. These are actual folks that if you turn in perhaps your final essay a little bit early, they can proofread it and give you feedback so you can have better writing skills, more tools to be a little bit more successful in your classes. Don't hesitate to use it. It is free to you. There are a few limitations, but it is still free to you. The 24/7 help desk is excellent. They can give you tons of support, a little bit of technical help, a little bit of help figuring out how to navigate courses, how to get to your school homepage, how to register, etc. The CCC online website will bring you to course calendars that will tell you add dates, drop dates, withdraw dates, etc., or help you register for more CCC online classes. The CCC online course materials tab will tell you all about all of the course materials you'll need for your classes. And speaking of which, let's check out the textbook for this class. There are a couple important things to know. So we're going to go back up to the top. We're going to enter our course content. Click that tab. This opens a menu on the left side of the screen. All of these links will always be here, so you can use it sort of as the chapters in a book. You can navigate through our syllabus. This is where we're going to start. Syllabus. Now, as you go through the class, it's going to tell you how much of it you finished. Obviously, we're starting at 0. This is the beginning of the class. So, our course materials are in here in the course materials tab. We've laid out the exact name and authors of the textbook and the version right here. This is the APA reference format that you can copy and paste into your assignments if you'd like to. We've done it for you. Also, I want to bring your attention to the online bookstore link. For a lot of people, the online textbook that we're using through this class, the e-textbook, doesn't cooperate well with digital touch screens. So using a smartphone or a tablet can be sometimes difficult. People perhaps prefer to have a black and white version of the textbook in their hands. You can order that through this link in the bookstore. All right, let's go find that textbook. So let's go back to the course content. And we're going to scroll down to the Digital Materials tab. Digital Content. Do you see that on the left side of the screen here? Digital Content. And as you see, it pops up the menu, different ways to access the textbook, a little bit of help completing assignments in Wiley Plus is the publisher. Wiley Plus Learning Space homepage is a way to get into the text. But let's look at what's in red. This is an important link to let you know that we take our quizzes through the textbook. And in order to get the grades all synced up to the main part of our class here, you have to click this link one time. So let's do that now. Once you click this link, you will not have to do it again. This pops us right into the quizzes. All the little orange bubbles here tell you that they're gradable. You will find quite a bit of other practice material in the textbook, but it is not gradable. Only the quizzes must be completed. We have 8 quizzes. As you can see, they seem to be a little bit out of order in the Jenny grade practice student. Hopefully they're not out of order in yours. And you can see how many you've not started, how many you have in progress, how many you've submitted, how many were graded. They're automatically graded. And you can then review the dashboard. Let's go into the main part of the textbook. Dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your participation information. Practice questions, time spent reading, time spent participating. I do not moderate this. I do not check on it. It's more just for your information. Now, what you're going to see here are all of your assignments that will be coming up. When you look here, it will be completed. Right now, they're not completed yet. They're listed as upcoming. Now, each chapter you would like to read, you can find drilled down into chapter 1, 2, 3. We only read up to chapter 10. We skip a couple of chapters, so just pay close attention. And you can click on the introduction, expand the page, and begin reading. You can make notes to yourself. You can highlight things, star them, etc. in the textbook. It is all just for you. I won't be able to see it. So now that you know where our quizzes are and how to read the textbook, and you have synced up the grades for the quizzes to our D2L platform, let's go back, look back at our table of contents. And let's check out the syllabus. Now let's scroll down and check out the calendar. You will need to know the course schedule for our 10-week class or semester or 6-week class. They will be posted right here. Opening it up, it will show you each module. Important information is usually in bold, as you can see. And all of the modules are laid out. For general psychology, we have 8, 6, 7, and 8. Our final one has a farewell discussion that is extra credit. Now, for example, Module 2 is 9 days long. I have posted a little bit of extra important information here in bold. Please read anything in bold and make sure that you follow the instructions. All of the due dates will be listed here on the right side. Sometimes I give the date of the week just to give you a little bit of more helpful navigation. Now that we've accessed our course calendar, we know when all of our due dates are. Let's check out some of the other ways we can get into the assignments. One of the big things that we do in this class are discussions. Let's check that out. In our discussions list here, you can see the first three: virtual cafe, help I don't understand the content, and technical issues are open forums that do not have a open and close. They are not graded. They are just a place for you guys to talk to each other or ask me a question. I'll check it periodically, but if you have a very important question to ask me, just send me a direct email. Now, as we scroll down, you'll see Module 1 discussions. As you can see, the discussions have a lock date highlighted here. Each discussion locks at the end of the calendar for that particular module. If you miss posting the discussion, I cannot reopen the forum, because consider it like an online classroom and think of walking into a classroom a couple of days after your class left. There won't be anybody there, won't be anybody to talk to. So if you miss it, there's just nobody there. Please pay attention to the due dates. For example, Module 1 due date is June 8th. All of the instructions for the discussion are listed here. You have two options: find a journal article or locate films on demand, and post your summary and your introduction to yourself. Helpful links that I would like to highlight here are the CRAP test and library database, and the CCC online APA style guide, and the academic integrity policy. The CRAP test will help you navigate websites and figure out if they're worth using as a reference. The online database is where I'm going to continually refer you to find scholarly academic journal articles. Again, scholarly academic journal articles are found in the online library database. And one of the biggest things people lose points on are the APA style references and citations in their essays. Please click this and read through how to create a standard APA formatted reference and citation. That's very important. Let's see, what else should you know? Let's scroll back up. And quizzes, we've already went over that. You will not use this quizzes tab because we perform quizzes inside our digital textbook. You will find all of your grades in the grades tab, and you can see all your class members in the class list. For more information on your own personal progress, class progress is a great place to check. It will show my comments, grades, and how many things you've turned in over the history of the course. Obviously, since we're starting fresh here, there's no information. Also, I will refer to class rubrics or assignment rubrics. You can find them all right here. Each one for the class is broken down. Academic discussions, the essays, our farewell discussion, the introduction, and each creative project. Okay, that's pretty much everything you need to know. Our course homepage. Don't forget to check the announcements. Don't forget about the quick links over here and your email messages there. Thank you for following along, and if you have more questions, send me an email and let me know, and I will give you a deeper dive into something specific. Have a great class. Bye-bye.